It'll be something where we can run 50 to 100 head of cattle. The initial plans at the moment and what I want to do is run cattle, have high quality bloodlines to create that quality cattle as well. That is just the very simple foundations and plans for that at the moment. As time goes on, we get closer to that, I'll really build that strategy out in depth. So those medium-term goals over the next 1.5 to 3 years, there's going to be 6 purchases at 750,000. There will be the purchase in the self-managed super fund of 700,000 and also the farm at 1.5 mil. So that is a total asset value of 6.7 million.